As the virus spread goes faster in India, there is still much to be done by the government. India has been breaking the virus records with 11,55,100 confirmed cases according to Ministry of Health and Welfare. As of Tuesday morning, 28,084 people had died. The New York Times has warned India of a worse phase in the coming time. This report is based on the data analysis of the coronavirus spread in India. Officials recorded at least 40,000 new coronavirus cases on Monday, marking India's highest single-day total. Infections in the country have jumped in recent weeks as a nationwide lockdown was lifted. Some states, including Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh, reimposed restrictions to try to bring the virus under control. Still, new hotspots seem to emerge faster than they can be contained. According to the New York Times, researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology now estimate that India will be the world's worst hit country by the end of next year. India, with over 1.1 million confirmed cases, now falls behind only the US with 3.7 million and Brazil with 2 million. India's caseload is on track to surpass Brazil's. According to the New York Times, India is one of many developing nations where leaders feel they have no choice but to prioritize reopening and accept the risks of surging coronavirus infections. Yet, its public health system is severely strained, and experts believe it is likely to reach a breaking point as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government continues to ease a nationwide lockdown. Initially, the country took some of the strictest measures to slow the spread of the coronavirus, including placing all 1.3 billion citizens under a nationwide lockdown. But the measures were brutally hard on the poorest Indians. Anxiety among people is rising as the caseload surges, and more people have complained that they have been unable to find hospital beds. India's total caseload, which is over 7,67,000 now, has become the world's third largest. Public health experts have warned that the country's testing figures were still far too restricted, but capacity has been rising. On July 9th, more than 2,67,000 samples were tested in 24 hours. With an increased testing, the number of positive cases may go higher for India, experts suggest. The virus spread is getting deadlier and dangerous while the government is busy lauding itself.